So let's say that you have a Google slideshow and you don't want the kids to click through the slideshow on the column here to the left. You want them to see the presentation as you've made it, or you would have shown it in class. To do that, you're going to go to File, Publish to the Web. Here you can change the default is 3 seconds to transition all the way up to 30 seconds or every minute. You can start the slideshow as soon as the player loads. You can restart it at the end if you would like. You also can require that viewers signing in must have a Pinkerton account. So once you do that, you're going to click on Published, and then you can Control-C, copy the link. And when you turn the link back on, put it in a URL, sorry. This is how the students would see it if they were uploading it or clicking on it through your Google Classroom. As you can see, it transitions. I can click on it and have it transition as well, but that does pause the play of the slideshow. So in order to continue on, I would have to press the pause button or the